Hey again, there's something I forgot to mention when it comes to doing expanded form into standard form with numbers that are missing something. For example, here's one that we did previously, one like we did previously, where you had a 3-digit number with 2 zeros, then it's missing, so you have the hundreds, you're missing tens, so you're missing that 1 0, and now you have no zeros in the ones place. So what we did was, remember, we took the 6 in this case. Now, remember, there are 2 zeros here, but none here. You need that 1 0 to hold the tens place. So what did I say to do? You get rid of 1. You keep the other to hold the tens. Take away the plus sign, drop down the 2. And that's how we did that, remember? That 0 holds the place for the tens. But now let's do one where, and I can't believe I forgot to mention this before, let's do one a little bit different but quite similar to. You'll see what I mean in a second. Let's do something simple like this. Okay, what's unique about this one? Well, we've got a 3-digit number here with 2 zeros. Now we've got the 2-digit number with 1 0. But what are we missing now? We're missing the good old number 1. We're missing the ones place. So what does that mean? Well, let's go left to right. Maybe you take the 2. You're good there. You've got 2 zeros. Here you've got 1 0. So you got the 2 1. You're counting backwards. You're not missing that when it comes to counting backwards. You're not skipping anything. So I can get rid of these 2 zeros. Now, I'm going to get rid of this plus sign, of course. I also bring down the 5 with me, like that. Now, here's a 0. What's after it? No plus signs and no what? No ones. So what does that mean? I only have one choice. Take the 5 away, bring down that 0. That's all I have. That's it. Because guess what? This is basically telling me that there are no ones after that 50. So this number has 2 hundreds, 5 tens, and no ones. Right? Exactly. Let's do one more like that. In case you didn't get that the first time. And like I said, always go back if you have to. Let's do... Here's one. 8. 2 zeros, remember count the zeros, 2 zeros, 1 0, 2 1, no skipping. So we can get rid of these, get rid of the plus, bring the 3 down, nothing else to do but bring down the 0, and there you go. Okay? This is holding the ones place. Let's do 2 more. One the other way I showed you where the tens are missing, and then one where the ones are missing again. Never hurts to repeat in this case, all right, with this new concept. So let's do one like we had before. Let's try, okay, what's missing here? Well, you got the 5, you got 2 zeros, you got no more zeros after that. So I know that the 6, I'm going to do it a little bit different now. I know the 6 comes down. What do? I get rid of one of these zeros. Take this 0. It's going to be my placeholder. Saved by 0. I think there's a song with that title. Yeah. So there you go. So it's 5 hundreds, no tens. So there's my no tens. But I still need that 0 as the placeholder. And there's my 6 as the ones. Right? Now let's do one with the same digits, but in a different way. Here we go. Right? 6, 2 zeros, 1 0, so I'm okay. 2 1, but then I have none. But I'm still counting backwards without skipping. 2 1 none. So I can get rid of both these zeros. Get rid of the plus sign. Bring down the 5. All I got left is this old 0 for the ones place. So this number has 6 hundreds, 5 tens, and no ones. But the 1 is still being represented by the good old 0. All right? So now I think hopefully you have a full picture of how to deal with expanded form, going back into standard form when it's missing a number in the place value columns other than 0. If there's a 0 in the place value column, it still needs to be represented. When you're doing expanded form, if you see hundreds, no tens, but ones, those tens still have to be represented by a 0. If you have an expanded form where you've got hundreds, you've got the tens as well, but you've got no ones, then that 0 still has to represent the ones. I've said it a million times already now. The 0 is the most important number in math, and I think this proves it once again. You need that 0 to be that placeholder. All right? Now, hopefully that helped you completely. If not, you could always go back, always take notes. And now I'll talk to you later.